Hi friends, so today's video is something very serious one because I being a girl and this soul being in a woman body, right, in a girl's body, I want to talk on something very sensitive topic that is going viral nowadays. जैसे कि you know that कोलकाता में डॉक्टर का रेप हो गया, right? So बिकॉज सबने इस चीज़ को लेकर के प्रोटेस्ट किया है, सबने अपनी असहमति दिखाई है इंडिया की सेफ्टी कल्चर पे एंड क्या सेफ्टी है कितनी है वो दिखता है बिकॉज हर तीसरे चार लाइक एवरी ईयर आई थिंक वुमेन आर रेप्ड हियर जिनकी न्यूज़ शायद पता भी नहीं चलती है और बहुत ही रेयर लाइक and I want to speak on something that rape is something uh, that is unacceptable, that is very shameful, and I don't think so that this should happen to any person. Rape happens to women, to men as well, and in my own, I mean, the main definition of rape means to steal the soul, right? To steal their soul, to fragment their soul. Because that pain is not just about the body's pain, but that is about the soul pain. Alright? So, being a girl, being a woman, with God's grace, I am in a safe zone. I am with my family. And I am with the people who I love and the people who share love to me. But there's a big but. I myself fear going out into the real cruel world, or we say the society. The only reason is that we as girls, we are not safe. We are not at all safe. We have to think twice what we are wearing. We have to think twice when we are going out and when we are not going out. We are very educated, we speak well, we can really grow, we can earn a lot. But where to keep that money and where to keep that education when men of our society are, are operating from a place of competition with the women, basically. They're not operating with the place of, supporting that woman. The strength of a woman and the strength of a man, if it is compared, physical strength, बहुत difference है उस चीज़ में, right? Even if a man slaps a woman, and when a woman slaps a man, still there is a difference. If we talk about equality, yeah, that's physical abuse. But if we talk about the amount of hurt that one person gets, and that the woman gets or the man gets, there's difference in that also. So what I believe is that if we are really living in a democratic society and sovereign society or a sovereign world or a sovereign country, then the rape culture has no place to survive, right? But actually we are not. No matter how educated we are, no matter from which family we belong, but if we go out and show our truth, show our talents, and show our, show humanity, in fact, okay, or show our sensitive side. We women are sensitive, there's no doubt about that. We are very sensitive because our physiology and biology is much different from the men, okay? Men are more logical, women are more emotional, okay? But actually the basic education that needs to be there around the world is to understand the difference of bodies, right? Is to understand the difference of psychology of both men and women, okay? Because every every year protesting like this and doing candle march does not make sense. It breaks my heart every time I see that. Why it breaks my heart? Because मैं भी एक लड़की हूँ, right? मैं भी एक औरत हूँ. I am a woman, I am a girl. I respect women, okay? I respect myself. So, some doing these things with cruelty, forcing someone, doing rape is not a joke. Those people are demonic. Those people have demonic possessions. Okay, it's nothing related to education now. Now I understand it is nothing related to education. We can't educate people that you have to respect. No. Okay, we can't educate. This is what I believe now. It's in their DNA. Okay, it's in their DNA. There are people who mask their face. There are people who do cruelty inside their house, and to the world they show that they are so much educated and they respect women. Right? So it's nothing related to education. It's nothing related to upbringing. It's in the DNA. Okay, DNA needs to get healed. If the DNA is not healed, you are going to attract narcissists. You're going to attract abusive people. If your soul is fragmented, if you are not doing your spiritual work, then definitely there'll be some people who will be feeding your soul energy, because your soul is so much fragmented. Your soul needs to be empowered rather than your mind. Okay, so I want to share this message to all the women out there who think education can really save them from cruelty, or educating the people and their children can really make them understand equality. No, that's not true. That those are just words. Those things are not imbibed in their soul or in their DNA. No, you as a parent need to heal your DNA first. You as a parent need to heal your DNA. You need to understand that if my if my son is behaving like this is something related to us. In fact, it's not just related to him as or his behavior. Okay, so you gotta heal the DNA, because जो दिखता है ज़रूरी नहीं है वो सच हो. ऐसे 10 लोग होंगे जो कि यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस डालेंगे, लड़के होकर जो यूट्यूब पे वीडियो डालेंगे और जो प्रोटेस्ट दिखाएंगे, बट उनके अंदर और उनके डीएनए और उनके खून में क्या है, वी डोंट नो दैट. Okay, we don't know that. There'll be people who will be using this as an opportunity to show that what kind of man I am. Actually, those are demonic, those are demons in my eyes. So I want to speak the truth that you gotta heal the soul. अपनी soul को इतना powerful करो, ठीक है, कि कोई आपके पास वैसे लोग attract ही ना हो. Okay? So make yourself empowered, make your soul empowered, because that is more important. Feeding your mind and making your mind understand equality, no. It comes from the bloodline, it comes from the DNA. You tell me guys, आपको क्या लगता है कि रेप घर के अंदर नहीं होते हैं ना? कितनी भी अच्छी एजुकेशन दो, कोई किसी को डॉक्टर बना दो तो किसी को साइंटिस्ट बना दो, जिसके डीएनए में क्रुएलिटी है, जिसके डीएनए में कंपटीशन है विद द वुमेन, दे आर गोइंग टू डू लाइक दिस. दे आर गोइंग टू डू लाइक दिस टू ऑल द वुमेन आउट देयर. दे आर द प्रेडेटर्स. दे आर द रियल प्रेडेटर्स. So please go deep inside. First heal your DNA. Don't give them the power. Heal yourself so much that those soul fragmented people cannot come even around you. Right? So let's not give power to those demons. They do not have power. This is my direct message to the women out there who really don't understand that why this happens to women. So my answer for that is that because our soul is fragmented. We are not empowered. We are not empowering our soul. Think in terms of energy, right? Think why you are attracting such people. Why not those people who are good out there? They are. Because your soul is fragmented. You need to empower your soul. Okay, so that's my message to the women out there. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. Love you all.